Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Sakshi Wagh from Zeal College of Engineering and Research Pune from first year IT department. Currently we are working on the project of desktop assistant under the guidance of Professor Jayesh Saravde. My other team members are
Hi, I am Harshal Babaji Papal, first year student of IT branch in Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune.
Hi, I am Suhail Munir Pathan, first year student of IT branch in Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune.
Myself Aishwarya Pisa, first year student of IT branch in Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune.